Hey everybody, welcome back. Today, Lisa and I, we are on the Enchantment of the Seas. We currently are on deck 8. Deck 8 is a passenger cabin deck, so we are going to look to see where your cabin is in regards to stairs and elevators, as well as crew doors and other obstacles. Now, if you've never seen us do one of these videos, I can't turn the camera like that for you to see every door and door number, or you would get seasick, ironically. So I'm going to call out the numbers and use my fingers and or thumb to point them out. Now, do us a huge favor. When you hear or see your door/cabin called, leave a comment below and let us know when you're sailing on the beautiful Enchantment of the Seas. So are we ready? Let's get going. 8114. 116. Another access to the stairs and elevators. 18, 19, 22, 23, 24, 26, crew door, 27, 30, 32, 31, 34, 35, 36, 38, 39, 40, crew door, 44, 46, 50, 52, crew door, 56, 58 and 55, 61, 59, 63, 81, 66, 81, 70, crew door, 81, 72, 86, 71, 86, 72, 86, 70, crew door back there, 8666, crew door. I do believe that is the Royal Suite right there. Okay, here we go. 8663, 659, 61, 55, 58, 56, crew door, 52. Little ramp right here, 50, very subtle, 46, 44, crew door, 40 with a crew door across, 38, 39, 36, 35, 34, 32 and 31, 30, 27, 26, 23 and 24, 22, 19, 18, access to the stairs and elevators, 16. Oh, somebody is celebrating 50 years.
That's awesome.
Happy birthday. Whatever cabin number you are. 8614. Again, main access to stairs and elevators. 8610. 8608. And again, another access to stairs and a little centrum there, or atrium. 8604. 2. 8600. 8598. And I would just love sitting up here, listening to everything going on and watching. 8596, sorry.
Crew
93, 92, 90, 89, 86, 85 and 84, 82, 81, 80, 78, 77, 76, 74, 73, 72, crew door, 70, 68, crew doors, 66, crew door, 62, 61, 60, 558, 556. You have some insides. 85, 59, 555, 557, 553, crew door. We'll get those from the other side. $85.52, $85.48, $85.51, $5.47, 49 and 45, crew door, crew door. We'll get those from the other side. $85, $44, crew door. $39, $40. Excuse me, everybody. $34. Forward, elevators and stairs. Okay. Crew door. $85, $32, crew door. $28, crew door. $85, $22, $85, $20, crew door. I was wrong. This is the Royal Suite. I'm gonna mess that up. $85, $14. Maybe because it's 5 o'clock in the morning and I'm tired. I was like, that just didn't feel like it was the Royal Suite, but there's a reason why it wasn't. So obviously we couldn't cross over to the other side. That's why we're coming back this way. Okay, crew, 8012, 8014, 8015. Lisa, 20, 22. Good God. $28. Crew door, 32. Crew door, 34. Here's your forward elevators and stairs. 40 and 39. Crew door, 44. 47, 51. 45 and 49. We've seen those already. $48. 8052, 8059, 55, 8053, 57, and we've seen those.
We are rocking.
We are. 8056, 8058, 61 and 60, 62, crew door. 66, crew door, 68, 70, crew door, 72, 73, 74, 76, 77, 78, 80, 81, 82, 84 and 85, 86, 89. It was 86. Wanted to make sure it wasn't 88, 89, 90, 92 and 93. Crew door, 96. The center atrium or centrum, 8098, 8100, 8102, 8101, or 104, sorry. Again, elevators and stairs. 8108. 8110, and guess what? 8114 was the very first cabin we started with. So there is all the cabins here on deck 8. Don't forget, do us a favor, leave a comment below of when you're sailing on the beautiful Enchantment of the Seas and that you saw your door or cabin. All right, until we see you on another deck or another ship, be safe.